you guys, Latrice DeLuna here, your local real estate expert, and I'm coming to you with a new listing here in the wonderful community of Beacon Park. It's amazing. You're gonna love it. Let's go see it now. So you guys, we are on the second floor of this amazing townhome. Let me tell you a little bit about it. So first of all, this actual floor plan is the largest floor plan located inside of the Beacon community. And we have this amazing kitchen behind me. So we have these amazing stone countertops. These are actually upgraded from the builder directly. As we walk through the kitchen, you can see that we have these beautiful appliances, state-of-the-art appliances, top of the line. You couldn't ask for anything more. All stainless steel. You have your cherry wood cabinetry. You have your Pkwy pantry. It's amazing to be able to come into a walk-in pantry and have everything you need right there at your fingertips. You have an accent wall that is beautiful with planked wood that was put in by the owners, and then it flows nicely into this living room where you can have a spacious, comfortable couch, and you can actually go and hang out and chill on the lovely balcony. So you guys, we are in the master bedroom. It is so super spacious. It's so peaceful. As we go through and take a look, you're gonna see all the wonderful amenities that the bathroom has. A huge shower, a walk-in closet. It really makes for a wonderful master bedroom. So as we're looking at this lovely community, as you can see, we have an elementary school. It's actually a state-of-the-art school, Beacon Elementary. From the actual unit, you can actually walk over to the school, so you can take your kids, walk them to school, pick them up. It's super convenient. The community has a wonderful pool, somewhere where you can take your family, cool off on the hot summer days. There's barbecue grills, there's picnic areas, there's a park for you to take the little ones to go and play and have a really good time. Every single amenity that you can think of, this community has.